crazy!
Didn't mention how to get to the top of that. All he gave us was this key of wisdom.
Pinky the Chihuahua, well, Mama knows how to deal with that little dog.
Oh, it's just a newspaper, guys.
Well, there's no engine, but it looks like gravity will do the trick. All right, girls, are we ready to get that reckless stick with us for life and limb punch? All right, ladies, lean!
Like, oh my god, it's like skydiving!
Oh my goodness, what a little tree! Aww. Isabella, what now? We're gonna crash! Oh no, we're not! Everybody okay, girls, it's time to tap that tap. I'm on it. Hold it still, sweetie. We got it, Isabella. Hey, Phineas, we got that sap guys needed.
Excellent, Isabella. That's the last ingredient we need. Now all we have to do is run away together.
Isabella. Phineas said thanks. Thanks. He really does appreciate me. Yes, yes he does.
Yes! At last my own lifetime supply of stiff beauty!
I was hoping that they were empty.
Maybe stiff, but at least I'm beautiful. Thank you, Pinky the Chihuahua!
Chihuahua! And that was a mini-sode. Woo!